Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the alternating spike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the single crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. This 1 chain will count as a single crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. To start our sequence, into the next stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. Then you're going to make a single crochet spike stitch over the next stitch into the chain that we made from our first chains down here. So it's going to be in this spot right here. And you're going to make a single crochet spike stitch just like this. It's just a really long single crochet, and that's how it's going to look. Then we're going to start repeating from this single crochet here. So into the next stitch, a regular single crochet. Over the next one, you're going to work your single crochet spike into those chains below. Into the next stitch, single crochet. Over the next one, make that single crochet spike into those chains below. Regular single crochet into the next one. Single crochet spike into that chain below the next one right here. So it's going to be this space. Regular single crochet in the next one. Next is a single crochet spike. Regular single crochet. Single crochet spike. Regular single crochet. Single crochet spike, regular single crochet, single crochet spike, single crochet spike, regular single crochet, single crochet spike, single crochet spike over this one, regular single crochet. Over the last one, you're still going to make that single crochet spike into that little chain below to look like this. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. This 1 chain is going to count as a single crochet. You're going to be skipping over the first stitch or the first single crochet spike stitch, And over this next one, you're going to be making a single crochet spike stitch. So it's going to be alternating between making a single crochet spike and a regular single crochet. That is going to be the sequence. It's just going to, the rows are going to start and end differently. So we're going to skip this first stitch, this single crochet spike from our last row. You can see this is a regular single crochet from the last row. So we're going to be working a spike over that one. You're going to be working that single crochet spike into the stitch 2 rows down. So skipping this regular one right here, so 1 row, into this second row right here is going to be that single crochet spike, just like we had been making. Then into the next stitch, regular single crochet. Over the next stitch, into this row 2 rows down, make that single crochet spike. Into this next stitch, regular single crochet. So you can see how those are looking, how they're alternating. Over this next stitch, into this stitch right here, make that single crochet spike. Into this next stitch, regular single crochet. Over the next one, single crochet spike. Into this next one, single crochet. Over this next one, single crochet spike into this stitch 2 rows down right here. Into this next stitch, single crochet, into this over this next stitch, into the stitch right here, single crochet spike, into this next stitch, regular single crochet, over this next one, single crochet spike, next regular single crochet, over this next stitch, into this one right here, you're going to make that single crochet spike, into this next stitch, regular single crochet, over this next stitch, single crochet spike, into this next one, regular single crochet, over this next stitch, single crochet spike. Then we're going to get to the end of our row and you're going to have a chain over here which counted as a single crochet. So into that last chain you're going to make a regular single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 1 chain. This 1 chain will count as a single crochet. So in our last row, we started with a single crochet spike. And then in this row, we're going to start with a regular single crochet. Again, we're going to be making them in the opposite stitches. So the sequence is going to stay the same. Our rows just start and end differently, like I said. So this chain counted as a single crochet. So we're going to skip the first stitch. You can see that this next one is a single crochet spike from our last row. So you're going to work a regular single crochet into that one. Then over this next one into the stitch right below it, you're going to make a single crochet spike. Then we're going to start repeating into this next stitch, regular single crochet. Over this next one into the stitch 2 rows down, so this one right here, you're going to make a single crochet spike. Into this next one, regular single crochet. In over this next one into this stitch 2 rows down, single crochet spike. Into this next one, single crochet. Over this next one, single crochet spike. Into this next one, regular single crochet. Over this next one, single crochet spike. So you can see how things are looking. Into this next stitch, regular single crochet. Over this next one, single crochet spike into this stitch right here. Next, regular single crochet. Over this stitch, single crochet spike into this stitch right here, 2 rows down. Next, regular single crochet. Next, single crochet spike over that next stitch. Next, regular single crochet spike into this stitch 2 rows down. Next, regular single crochet. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have a chain left. That chain counted as a single crochet, so into that chain, you're going to make a single crochet. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now repeat rows 3 and 4 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the alternating spike stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.